County in east central Alabama, Randolph County in east central Alabama, Calhoun County in east central Alabama, Cleburne County in east central Alabama, Clay County in east central Alabama, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mars Hills to near Mount Chia to near Winterboro to Bon Air to near Wilsonville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anniston, Gents Quarry, Coleman Lake and Campground, Tenet, Trickham, Lake Cleburne, Linville, Talladega Municipal Airport, Mellow Valley, Wellington, Sylacauga Municipal Airport, Overbrook, Oak Road, Abernathy, Alpine, Chandler Springs, Chalafinney, Crystal Lake, Waldo, and Borden Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The